Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Telegram channel without phone number. So first I open Telegram, then you can click on this pencil icon, again click on new channel, then write your channel name. So I write here tax is here. You can write anything here, then you can select a mm, image. So the purpose I select this image and this one you can put here. Okay, this one just click on. You can write here additional description. This is not required, so I want to skip this option. Just click on enter. Now my channel are already done, but I need to fill up more specific. My channel public or private. So I write here public, then select your public URL. So I write here tax here. Okay, I add additional information. These username are available. Now click on enter. Then if you want to add more people, just select here, then click on enter. Wow, my channel are ready. You can see I created this channel without phone number. If I click on channel setting, administration, then you can see I am only owner. Then you can add more admin, moderator, etc, etc. So you can share your this link anywhere, scan or QR code or link. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.